Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to reverse video in CapCut. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing is import your video in the CapCut and drag it to the editing section. The next thing is, you can see here is my video, and I will play the video from the start so you can see how it's beginning. And on the start the cat is sitting and I will take it to the end. So then you can see at the end that cat stand up. Now I will use the reverse effect of CapCut and the video will be reversed. Click on your video and here you can see the option reverse. Just simply apply this on your video. Now it's applied. Maybe on your video. This will take a while because it depends upon your video length. Now on the start you can see the cat is standing up. And if I take it to the end, here you can see that. Now cat sit down, and also you can apply this effect on a specific part of the video. And how can you do it? The only thing is, cut your video from that part on which you want to reverse. Like me, after cutting the video from both sides, tap on that part and tap on this option reverse, and this effect will be applied on that specific part. So it was the fundamental way by which you can reverse video in CapCut PC.